Good morning, boys and girls. How are you? Today I'm going to be doing a morning meeting with you. And I started doing this yesterday. Yesterday I went into my backyard and I found all of these different things that you can find in nature. And because we're talking about spring, I thought it would be fun to go into the backyard and find some dandelions and other things that you would find out in the yard during springtime. So today we're going to be talking about sorting, and I'm going to be sorting these items that I found in my backyard. But before I do that, do you remember what it means to sort? What is sorting? Do you remember? Sorting is when you take something and you separate it by groups of things that are similar or that are the same. So here I found a few things, and I'm going to bring the camera closer so you can see them. So I found sticks. I found acorns that the squirrels love to eat. I found some rocks. I found some yellow dandelions and these little tiny purple flowers that were all over my grass. So how can I sort these items? What are some items that are the same? How about if I move all the yellow dandelions over here, and let's give that a title. Let's do yellow dandelions over here. And we'll put all the purple flowers over here. Purple. I found another purple one. Here is more purple. That's all the purple flowers that I found. And here are all the yellow dandelions. Okay, next, what if we move all the sticks over here? Wow, it looks like I found lots of sticks. All right, so we have dandelions, the purple flowers, we have all the sticks. Should we give it a title? Let's give that a title too. Sticks. All right, what is left? We have some acorns and some rocks. So let's put the acorns over here. And let's leave the rocks right here in the middle. Okay, so we have rocks and we have acorns. All right, so here is our sorting graph. Acorns, sticks, rocks, dandelions, and purple flowers. Do you notice that I put all of the things that are the same together? Should we count them? Let's count how many dandelions I found. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We found 8 dandelions. Now let's count all the purple flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which number is bigger? 8 or 7? 8 is bigger. We have 8 dandelions and 7 purple flowers. I wonder how many sticks we are going to count. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There are 13 sticks, and the way that we write 13 is with a number 1 and a number 3. All right, let's count our acorns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 acorns. And last, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 rocks. Which number is bigger? What do we have the most of? Yes, the sticks. Look at all the sticks. We have the most of the sticks. And what do we have the least of? The rocks. Okay, boys and girls, so we sorted some things that we found in nature. But there are many, many things in your house that you can sort. You can sort the utensils when you're having dinner together. You can put all the spoons, all the forks, all the cups together. What else can you sort? You can sort your toy cars. Maybe you can sort all the red cars, the blue cars, the green cars. Maybe you can sort your dolls or some of your toys. What else can we sort? I want you to think about something that you can sort, and then I want you to try it. Maybe you can go into your backyard and you can find some sticks and some rocks and some leaves, and you can try sorting by different things. I hope you have so much fun doing that and that you learn lots and lots of things about sorting and counting. Bye, boys and girls.